This is mine. She was my mate. If anyone's going to straighten anything out, it's going to be me, right?
I'm sorry, that's hot blood. It's always a mistake.
Look, copper lady, you've had your training, I've had mine. But just you do some time here before you start telling me, right?
Any ideas?
And that's for Jenny.
Look, who are you lot anyway, eh? I'll call him.
I think he knows more than he's saying.
I did a job, now I'm finished.
You ain't even started yet, Mr. Maguire.
So, we went down the marina, chatted up the boss van bloke, and guess what happened?
There's a yacht moored there chartered by Jerry Sanders.
My God, Gonzo, she's psychic.
What's that?
It's like a witch. She knows what she couldn't possibly know.
S224Q8, access code to a subroutine.
Difficult, eh?
Difficult, but not impossible.
Well, whatever you get, put it on a security file and make sure Margaret sees it when she comes in.
Are you nodding off? Or are you going to help me cop some of this lot? I think I've got
What?
a hunch. Isn't it funny how you've always got a hunch when we've got work to do?
Oh, Fred, this is Mr. Jarvis. He's been giving us some tips.
Fred?
Short for Frederica.
Well, what do you expect? You were in court the other week trying to nail that copper. Anyway, what's he come in?
That was passport control. Dover. The hovercraft just left. Peter wasn't on it.
It must be.
Where's Bill taking him?
Bill.
Of course, Bill. You would have told him your trick to get Peter to Marseille. You made his travel arrangements. You even sent him to the transport cafe so Bill knew where to pick him up. So, yes, where has Bill taken him? What's the registration number? Hey! I thought you said you'd never done this before. I haven't. How am I doing?
Too low.
What are you doing?
Right in my diary.
Day 1. Steadily growing weaker.
Hi! Copper!
No, I'm making a citizen's arrest.
You're wasting your time, lady.
Get up!
Where do you think you're taking me?
Taking you to the police so you can tell them who put you up to this.
Tell the Bill. It's like telling Hitler his arm has invaded Poland.
Yeah?
I ain't gonna talk to them. No way.
My friend's uncle's got a friend. And you can tell him.
What about the car? We ain't walking, are we?